Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a review of this drink, the Korean sparkling mango drink. Let's try it out and see how it tastes. Hopefully it tastes good, if I could even open it. Oh, there we go. You definitely taste the mango. That's pretty good. It's very fizzy. If you like fizzy drinks, you're gonna like this. It's not even in English. I can't really read it for you. Well, some parts are, I guess, but you guys can see that. Yeah, I recommend it. Try it out. It's very fizzy if you like fizzy. Sparkling mango. I guess like sparkling water. I wouldn't say it's like soda. It's not like orange crush. This is like that. Definitely in like the sparkling water realm. Yeah, definitely try it out.